Now, suppose spaceship C comes back. Where will you park it?
I'll pick row 1, which has an empty space.
So, what will row 1 hold now?
Well, it should hold A, B, C, and D now. So, we have to put C at index 2 of row 1. It should replace the space at index 2 with C. An error?
Yeah, we can't add a character to an index of a string.
Instead, we can do this.
It looks like concatenation.
That's right.
So here, the letter at index number 0, 1, letter C, and index number 3 are all combined as one string.
Yup. And row 1 now holds A, B, C, D.
Perfect.
This exploration sure turned into something unexpected.
True that.
I'll explore often, and if I find something interesting, I'm gonna bug you all.